Hello friends, welcome to Narayana Tech House. This is Narayana. In our data analytics series, I am going to explain all data analytics concepts with real life examples. Please subscribe our channel Narayana Tech House and share our videos with your friends also. If you want to become a data analyst, then don't miss this series, guys. Okay, so in this session, we'll discuss now the types of data analytics. In that, we'll discuss one by one now. The first one is
Yes, descriptive descriptive data analytics, all of you. Descriptive data analytics, descriptive. Okay, and the second one is diagnostic data analytics. Data analytics. What second one? No? Diagnostic. The third one is predictive data analytics. Predictive data analytics. Predictive data analytics. The fourth one is prescriptive data analytics. Prescriptive data analytics. Prescriptive data analytics. That's all. These are the four different types of data analytics: descriptive, diagnostic, predictive, prescriptive. Okay, right. So the meaning of each one, I'm going to explain with one example, guys. With one example. Okay, right. So I want to know, see, this is all about of a specific day deals, right? A specific day products sold, guys. Which one on 21st means maybe like Monday. Okay, Monday. Now I want to know what happened on last Monday. What happened on last Monday? What happened means about the sales, guys. All of right. Okay. So what I want to know, my question is what happened? What happened? What happened on last Sunday or last Monday? On last Monday. That's all. What happened on last Monday, guys? Let me know. So see here, what happened means as for the sales, like how many sales are done. Want to know? Okay, right. So I can say that product wise, when this question is raised, the answer is like in Ameerpet 4,000 sold, in Madhapur 8,000 sold, KPHB 1,000 sold, 40 to 12,000 sold, right? Now, which one less sold here? Tell me now. Which one less sold here? All of you. Which one less sold? KPHB, or else you can say here only thousand. Okay, the answer is only 1,000 products. Okay, sold in KPHB branch. In KPHB branch like this or store. All of you. Right? This is the answer, guys. This is the answer. I give all the details in KPHB, how many, how many like that. But I am giving one here, which is having less sales. Which is having the less sales. Because we bothered about always where are the less sales? Where are the less sales? Not about high sales. Okay. Right. So what happened last Monday? And last Monday, okay, only 1,000 products sold where in KPHB. In KPHB, right? Means these are the less number of products sold. So then immediately what we do, why it happened, right? Why less sales happened in KPHB? Why? What is the reason of less sales here? That is my second question. What is my second question? Why? Why it happened? Why it happened? Why it happened means why less sales are happened. All of right. Why it happened means what here? Why less sales are happened in KPHP? Sorry, in KPHP. What is the reason? Why it happened? Why? Right? Means so for this one, it required reason. What is the reason? Like is it because of high prices in the store, high prices, or is it because of the employees not explaining to the customers properly, na? Or is it because of the store is located far away from the families, or is it because of only students are going to store, enjoying the AC or coming outside? Like that, it requires some reason. It required some reason, okay? Some reason, guys. So now, I can take one reason. The reason is prices. For example, the reason is prices. Or the reason is it is located far away from the families. Some reason, right? Some reason, guys. Just I take the simple reason because of prices, right? So observe here. Prices are more. Prices are more. So I can say here students are unable to buy, unable to buy. That's why less sales are happened, guys. That's why less sales are happened. I'm saying this reason. All of you. Students are more, so prices are more. Prices are more, right? Or prices are high. Prices are high. Okay. So students are unable to buy. Students are bachelors, all of right. Okay. Poor families, right, are unable to buy. It can be students, it can be okay, poor families, right, poor families, right, and so on are unable to buy. Okay, that is the reason. That is the reason. Okay. So then, how to increase the sales? See, even though because of small reasons, you cannot close the store, right? All of you. Because of small reasons, we cannot close the store. However, we have to increase the sales compulsorily. We have to increase the sales compulsorily, right? Then we have to think now, what do we do now? What is the best way? Right, okay. So then here we should think what we do, right? Okay. What is the better way? Right? We have to take a plan, guys. We should take a plan. Should take a decision now. Decision means what? Okay, like giving the offers or means finally what is the goal of the decision to increase the sales, right? To increase the sales, guys. Now the third question is third question is okay. See here. So what happens? What will means what future, right? What will happen? What will happen in future? In future, okay. In future, if you apply the offers, if we apply the offers, what happens? Simply, what will happen in the future, right? Okay. The person who is thinking about the future is called what? Data scientist. It's called what? Data scientist. The data scientist will think about the future. Will think about the future. Okay. If increase the prices, then what will happen? Or if okay, or else if we give the offers, what happens in the future? That entire future predict by whom? By the data scientist, guys. He will predict by using some machine learning models, and then they give suggestion to whom again? Suggestion to manager owners, guys. Allah. So by using our help, by using our analyst help, or by using scientist help, then they take a final decisions. In every business, that's why I told you, in every business, what jobs are confirmed, which jobs are confirmed here. Analyst job is confirmed, scientist is confirmed, guys. In every job, in every business, because in every business, who must be there? Owners must be there. In every business, owners must be there, right? Owners must be there. For no owners, who will help here? Analyst will help main. He is the main person. Analyst is the main person, and the second, who is that one? Scientist is the second person. Scientist is the second person, guys. These two jobs are confirmed in every business, in every company, in every project. If we apply offers, right? Customers will buy products, something like that. They're giving us some solution, guys. See, this is what expectation. It's not happened. It's expectation based on our previous and past data and based on that area, based on that customer's behavior, all. Because every time customers are about to buy, but because of prices, they are not buying. They are not buying like that. So means customer is interested to buy. They're interested to buy, but because of the only product prices only, just they are going away without buying. So now, if you apply offers, if you decrease the prices, then customers will buy the product. Will buy the products compulsorily. Then owners also believe this one. Then next what they do? They apply offers. They apply the offers, guys. Okay. So finally, which one here? Now what should we do? We means what are the owners, or what should they do? What should they do? They means owners, guys. Okay. What should they do now? They apply the offers, guys. Here just they're imagining. If we apply, what will happen? They understood that customers will buy the products. Then what should we do now? We give the offers. Right, okay. For this one, the solution is what here. Finally, what do we do? We must who owners are. What do we do? All of you. Okay. So now they apply offers and okay, track the sales of KPHP guys. That's all. Offers or increase track sales and increase the sales of KPHP. That's all. All of it. So this is what, guys. This is what generally the process of every business, guys. How many steps are there, all of you? How many questions are there here? How many questions are there? 4 questions are there, guys. We have 4 questions. What's first question? Always, what happened yesterday? What happened the last 1 week? What happened last season? Right? So what happened is the first question, guys. Allowance first question. What happened is the first question. What happened? Right? So for that, we give some solution, right? Last week, last season, last festival holidays, last summer holidays. Okay, this is the number of products sold. This is the profit we got. Like that, what happened? So then, if anywhere less is there, then why it happened? If anywhere less is there, then what we do? Why it happened? What is the reason? Why it happened? Right? Some reason is there compulsorily. Some reason is there, right? Then, so if you apply some plan, then what will happen in the future? What happens in the future? If you apply some plan, what happens in the future? Right? Then finally, what should we do? Finally, what we do? What should we do? What should we do? That's all, guys. These 4 questions are always should rise in every business. Okay, right. Now coming to our types of data analytics.